Hi guys. This case is about the meatpacking factory Harvard case solution and analysis. Manager of a large meat processing plant has agreed to the request of his 100-plus Muslim workers, who asked to take breaks at sunset, to properly observe the Muslim holy month of Ramadan. Although this exclusion violations manager believes that an adequate response to the religious needs of such a large percentage of its staff base, but called for breaks at very precise times, began to interfere in the overall operation of the plant, resulting in a loss of performance. Other staff were annoyed, thinking that they have the burden of interruptions, and resenting what they see as preferential treatment. Due to performance issues, complaints, other staff, and concerns about the credibility of his administration, the manager believes withdraws his agreement with Muslim workers. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.